Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2013 Mathematics Past Question 50. A basket contains 9 apples, 8 bananas and 7 oranges. A fruit is picked from the basket. Find the probability that it is neither an apple nor orange. Now, probability of picking an apple or orange is equal to 9 over 24 plus 7 over 24, and that will give us 16 over 24. Now, reducing 16 over 24, 8 into 16 will give us 2, and 8 into 24 will give us 3. So that's 2 over 3. Now, probability, this is the probability of picking an apple or orange. Therefore, the probability of picking neither an apple or orange will be equal to 1 minus the probability of picking an apple or orange, that is 1 minus 2 over 3, and that is equals to 1 over 3. So the answer to this question is option D, 1 over 3. Thank you, and ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.